क्या भाई, क्या हो गया है हमारे कछुए को? वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम प्लेयर, जेनरेशनल टैलेंट, इज ही अ विक्टिम ऑफ हिज ओन सक्सेस? What is the real reason why Kylian Mbappe is failing at Real Madrid? I have three reasons for it. आओ देखते हैं।
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
मेरे हिसाब से पहला रीजन है फोकल पॉइंट, दूसरा रीजन है कॉन्फिडेंस इशू, एंड तीसरा रीजन है दैट द टीम लैक्स क्रिएटिविटी। आओ एक एक करके तीनों पॉइंट्स कवर करते हैं।
ओके।
फोकल पॉइंट तो देखो भाई, एम्बापे हैज ऑलवेज बीन द स्टार स्ट्राइकर। चाहे वो पीएसजी की स्क्वाड हो, चाहे वो फ्रांस नेशनल टीम हो, ही वॉज द सेंटर ऑफ अटेंशन एंड पूरी टीम रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड हिज स्टाइल ऑफ प्ले।
बात तो सही है।
ये हुई पहली चीज। दूसरी चीज, he wants to replicate Cristiano Ronaldo's legacy in Real Madrid and he has been vocal about that. But Cristiano Ronaldo in his time at Real Madrid was the focal point. He was taking all the free kicks, he was taking all the penalties, and entire squad was revolving around Cristiano Ronaldo's style of play. But right now, the problem in Real Madrid squad is that you have too many superstars yaar. There is not just one focal point. You have Vinicius Junior, you have Jude Bellingham, you have Rodrigo, all of these players with equal stardom yaar. So maybe जो Kylian Mbappe को चाहिए that the Real Madrid squad adjusts to his style of play and feed him the ball again and again, वो नहीं हो पा रहा भाई. He is not even playing his best position यार. So उसकी best position is left wing, जहां से he is known to make those inside runs यार. But you already have the best left winger in the world, which is Vinicius Junior. So Kylian Mbappe is forced to play a system जहां पे maybe he is not that happy. Of course, तुम्हें भी पता है, मुझे भी पता है, he's been caught offside most of the times. He's not getting enough chances and he is overthinking stuff यार. So this could be one of the reasons why Kylian Mbappe is struggling to find his form at Real Madrid. Second reason which I can think of is the confidence issue yaar. He is definitely feeling the pressure to wear the Real Madrid jersey. भाई ने 2 पेनल्टीज मिस कर दिया लास्ट 2 मैचेस में, so that adds on to the pressure and he knows यार all the eyeballs are on him and everybody wants him to perform and he is unable to. He has looked out of sync with the teammates. जो एक सिस्टम बिठाने की कोशिश कर रहा है कार्लो एंसेलोटी, उसमें वो फिट नहीं हो पा रहा. जहां पे उसको पास करना चाहिए वो शॉट मार रहा है, जहां पे उसको शॉट मारना चाहिए वो पास करके मिसप्लेस कर रहा है पास, which is overall leading to a confidence issue in him and that is also leaving his teammates frustrated यार. तो देखो भाई, एम्बापे का बेस्ट गेम क्या है? ही इज नोन फॉर हिज पावरफुल शॉट्स एंड हिज डायरेक्ट अप्रोच, राइट? वो वाली गेम वो खेल ही नहीं रहा यार. ही इज ऑफन हेजिटेटिंग, अगेन ओवरथिंकिंग टू मच एंड नॉट मेकिंग द राइट डिसीजंस in the right moment. तुम इस सिचुएशन को देखो भाई, he's dribbling on the left wing and Jude Bellingham is asking for the ball and he's not getting it. So that is also making Jude Bellingham feel frustrated and he himself is frustrated that he's not able to make the right decisions at the right moments yaar. Plus his entire life he has played in the French league and now he has come to the Spanish league, which is a different ball game altogether यार. ये तो मानना पड़ेगा ना कि Spanish league is more difficult than the French league. So he is definitely taking time to adapt to a new league यार.
Baigan.
वैसे अगर सोचो तो वो नंबर 9 मोनाको में भी खेलता था. He has played that system, but this league is a different ball game altogether. So maybe he's getting used to the level of competition. Of course यार, फ्रांस नेशनल टीम के साथ खेलता है, चैंपियंस लीग खेलता है, तो it's not new, but still it's a different league. And if he keeps on getting the goals, I'm sure he'll keep on getting confident यार. And देखो भाई, he has scored 9 goals in 17 matches, which is actually not a bad start for any other player. But I'm sure that he's a victim of his own success and वही comparison with Cristiano Ronaldo is making him not realize the expectations of the fans. भाई अगर वो बड़े मैचेस में गोल मार भी देता ना, जैसे लिवरपूल वाले मैच में पेनल्टी मार देता या ओपन प्लेस से मार देता या फिर एल क्लासिको में बार्सिलोना के अगेंस्ट मार देता, सो दैट वुड हैव साइलेंस्ड ऑल क्रिटिक्स. अभी रियल मैड्रिड भी अच्छा नहीं कर रही है, उसकी परफॉर्मेंस भी ऑन टॉप नहीं जा रही है. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई हिज कॉन्फिडेंस इज अ बिट लो एंड ही इज फेलिंग टू शाइन और बिकम अ सक्सेस एट रियल मैड्रिड. Third reason, which is a very, very valid reason, is that the entire Real Madrid team lacks creativity. Yaar. They are missing the balance in the team टोनी क्रूस की कमी अभी भी महसूस हो रही है. टोनी क्रूस was the perfect guy to sort of assist Kylian Mbappe and pass the ball in the right places जहां पे Kylian Mbappe becomes deadly यार. है ना भाई. तो अभी जो करंट सेटअप है रियल मैड्रिड का, इट डज नॉट प्रोवाइड द विजन और द रेंज ऑफ पासिंग that is needed to exploit Kylian Mbappe's strength. इस वजह से that has made Kylian Mbappe's job a bit harder, where he has to rely on individual brilliance rather than a cohesive team effort यार. मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ भाई, टोनी क्रूज को वापस ले आओ, सब सॉर्ट हो जाएगा भाई. एंड भाई टोनी क्रूज ने बोला भी था, his last words before retiring at Real Madrid were that please subscribe to Ish Khera's YouTube channel यार.
मस्त जोक मारा रे.
And to pile up on the problems on Real Madrid as a squad, there have been a lot of injuries by. Dani Carvajal is out for the season, Eder Militao is out. All the players are playing different places यार. जैसे Valverde, who could have played a role in assisting Kylian Mbappe, उसको भी कभी कभार राइट बैक खेलना पड़ता है. चुआमेनी इंजर हो जाता है, रॉड्रिगो इंजर हो जाता है. सो वही है यार, if Real Madrid want to play a particular system, injuries are not helping them at all to sort of train together and find the sync between the players. अभी विनी जूनियर भी इंजर्ड है भाई. So I think that is enough said यार. I definitely want Real Madrid to grow stronger and Kylian Mbappe to be a pillar in the attack यार. So all the best to Kylian Mbappe. Please subscribe कर देना. Love you guys. See you. Bye.